In the world of ASO, reviews are social proof at scale. They shape how users trust your app and how platforms rank it. But the real magic? Knowing how to generate great reviews ethically, consistently, and at scale. In this lesson, you'll learn the systems, strategies, and moments that turn happy users into 5-star advocates without ever begging, bribing, or violating platform guidelines. Why reviews matter. Ratings influence visibility. Reviews influence conversion. A high rating gets users to tap. A strong review gets them to install. In 2025, users don't just glance at the stars. They scroll to the comments. They want to know, is this app stable, easy to use, worth my time? So the question is, how do you get more great reviews consistently? Step 1. Build in-app prompts the right way. Start with Apple and Google's native review prompts. These let users leave a review without leaving the app. But don't spam them. The key is timing and context. Ask after moments of satisfaction, completing a task, unlocking a milestone, solving a pain point, getting support resolved. If the user just won, let them celebrate by leaving praise. This timing leads to better reviews and fewer complaints. Step 2. Segment who you ask. Not every user should see a prompt. Segment based on behavior. Active users with repeat sessions. Users who just rated an experience highly in-app survey or NPS. Power users who haven't yet reviewed. Use in-app logic or third-party SDKs to control who gets prompted and when. Step 3. Make it easy, seamless, and quick. Use the one-tap native dialog, not a web page. It increases completion rate dramatically. Also, don't over-explain. Let the App Store prompt do the talking. Your job is just to trigger it when emotion is high and friction is low. Step 4. Follow up without being pushy. If a user ignores your first prompt, that's okay. Wait, then try again. Maybe after they've used a new feature or updated the app. Use event triggers, not timers. The second ask should feel just as natural as the first. Step 5. Respond and reinforce. If someone leaves a positive review, say thank you. Respond in the store. Then use that feedback elsewhere, your landing page, your screenshots, or even in your app onboarding. Good reviews can be repurposed as conversion assets. What not to do. Don't gate features behind reviews. Don't offer incentives for 5 stars. Don't manipulate or fake reviews. It'll get you banned. Ethical growth wins long term. Final thought. Great reviews don't just happen. They're engineered through experienced design. Every delight, every solved problem, every intuitive feature is a chance to earn trust. When you systemize the request at the right moment, with the right user, and in the right way, you'll never struggle for social proof again. In the next lesson, we'll cover leveraging user reviews as ASO assets, how to turn feedback into fuel for installs. But for now, go review your own review prompt strategy. Are you asking smart or just hoping?